Assalamu alaikum. Spicy chicken korma. Subscribe my channel. Let's start making. Yogurt, red chili powder, Kashmiri mirchi, garlic powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, green chili and garlic paste. Chicken, coriander and green chili paste, ghee, now flame on. Now blend the all spices. After blend the spices, now cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, spicy chicken korma is ready. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.